What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, it's time to tap back in. It's time to lock back in, okay? We are moments away. We get through the night. It's already time for market open, all right? So listen, I got a jam-packed video with some guidance that I want you guys to be on the lookout for, okay? So keep it locked and let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys, check it out. We jumping right into it on the day. I got the SPY pulled up here right now. Check it out, guys. Ticker symbol SPY sitting at 398.52. Okay, now listen. All right, where we're currently at, we don't have a lot of major catalysts in front of us right now at this point in time, since we just got the CPI report. We done had a little rally off of that. Okay, so there's this chance that, okay, with some pullbacks here and there, that the market may still want to rally up a bit. But today's video is about you guys being mindful, having a 50,000 foot view of a bull trap. Okay, and the bull trap would be this. Okay, so we're sitting at 398.52 right now. Okay, what I want you guys to look out for is a pullback, okay, and some of the support levels. Make a note of this for me so that you guys can kind of know where stocks will fall to, all right, where support levels are sitting at. All right, so that's 395 level will be one level of support. If we lose that level, I want you guys to look for 393 and then 390. Okay, now mind you, these things may or may not even come into play, but I want you to be mindful, because here's where the bull trap will come in at. When this gets to moving, okay, and when it starts making a run back to 398 and back towards 399 400, it can have that euphoria feeling that we're off to the races. And this is how the bull trap is set, okay? And so what you don't want to happen is you are getting excited and thinking everything is just going to keep going up, 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 and up. Listen, in a bear market, in a downtrending market, you will have bounces and rallies. That's true, okay? That will happen, but they're not sustainable. So I want to caution you guys to be on the lookout for thinking that the stock is going to just continue to go. The levels to the upside is 400. We need to first even get to that level, all right? Then 403, 408, 410, okay? It happens in steps. So be on the lookout for those levels to the upside. But at any one of those levels, the rug pull can happen. And you don't want to be caught long, okay, thinking it's going to continue going up, up, and up. And then one of those levels, they choose to pull the rug from under you. So what do I often say for my traders? Okay, at these levels, when you see profit, take profit. So do me a favor to the upside, because we're always looking for upward momentum in stocks, okay? To the upside, I do want you to be looking for 400. I do want you to be looking for 405, 410 eventually, okay? But if you happen to be trading and making money, which we will do this week, so please join us at the link below, okay? I want you to be locking in some profits and incrementally ride it up, so that when the rug pull happens, you're not caught too deep in it. You're not, maybe not even in it at all. And then you can either, one, ride it down with the rest of us ride it down, or you can just wait for it to come back down and then ride it back up, okay? So do me that favor, look out for those levels, but watch out for the bull trap. Check this out, guys. Tesla sitting here at 195.70. Let's go ahead and look at this. Look at this level right here. Okay, 180, that 180, 183 range we talked about. It is bouncing off of that support level. So I saw it happen twice. I saw it happen Thursday and I saw it happen Friday, okay? So you now know to the downside that 180 level is a good level of support. It might can overshoot to the downside a little bit to 177, 176-ish. But typically it will get bought back up and then proceed to potentially bouncing to this 192, 194 level, which it seemed again to be a strong level of resistance. Look at how many tests we had. And just for teaching purposes, look at these double tops right here. 1, 2, okay, then it fell. 1, 2, then it fell. But it bounced every time. 1 2, or you can call this one full one full one here at 3, and then it dipped down. But look at where it's finding support at, this 194 level. Okay, so know your levels. More importantly, respect your levels. I told you guys support will be at 180. Right now, that's going to hold up until it breaks. So respect it. So meaning this is what I want you guys to do. When Tesla falls or pulls back, when it goes to 180, you need to assess whether or not it breaks through or if it bounces. If it bounces, look at these bounces, guys. These are clear. This is a double bottom right here at 9:35, and then it touched it again at 9:45. 10 minutes later, after the double bounce, the double bottom was confirmed, boom, it took off and shot all the way up to this 192 level, okay, before making a double top and then falling here. But what I want you guys to do is react to what you see, okay? Be ready for the double bottom. That's a great time to jump in on the second touch on the double bottom, okay? And then you ride it up. And then when you see a stock make a move or have a double top or a triple top, okay, if it doesn't break up to the upside, guys, it's going to pull back. And whether it pulls back a little or whether it pulled back a lot, that's an opportunity that I want you guys to seize this particular week, okay? We just want to be surgical in our approach, all right? And then, guys, to wrap it up, we got Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting here right around 150, okay? Apple will have a lot of support and around this 149, 150 level, okay? If it can get to 150, that's going to be a huge sign, because next will be at 152, all right? But if it begins to sell off, all right, 147 will be right back on deck in a heartbeat, okay, as well as 145 and then 143. But Apple is strong, and it won't just flush like that unless something unforeseen happens. So respect your levels. Really quick lesson. Look at this dip. Look at where the support was at. That 145-ish level. Okay, sometimes it overshoots a little bit, but 145, boom, it bounced off of this. Okay, bounced up to 146, pulled back a little bit to 145 before rocketing off around 10:25 to this 147 level. Okay, look at this double top it made here to 148 before pulling back. Again, just gathering strength, gathering momentum. And then what did it do? Not only did it recapture that 148 level, guys, but then it took it all the way up here to this 149, 150 level. Look at this double top right here at 210. And then again here, touch one more time at 3 o'clock before it pulled back down here to 315. Guys, these structures in the chart, these patterns present themselves no matter where you look. I want you guys to start recognizing them. I want you guys to start anticipating them. But don't guess, don't gamble, react for me, okay? Listen, guys, we got another week coming up, which means we got another opportunity to get in our bag and do what we do. We get another opportunity to put to the test the things we have picked up, the insights we've learned, the reflections we've had on past moves, whether we lost, whether we won, and I'm always excited about that. Do me a favor, guys, this week and for the remainder of November and the year, remember to manage your risk for me, okay? I want you to, I'm more concerned. The victory is inevitable with me. I'm more concerned about you on your losses, your losses being smaller. So if you was accustomed to losing 300, I'm going to get excited if you lose 100. Or if you was losing 100, if you start losing 35. I'm looking for risk management, okay? Being able to spot if you got the direction wrong, okay? Cut the loss, jump back in, and make sure you get on the right side of the trade, okay? I want you to be profitable. I'm looking for profits, okay? And I'm looking for progress, more importantly, guys. With that being said, listen, we make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.